Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the account uses one verified email or phone. This is required. Once confirmed, open the app and tap Send Magic Link to initiate a one-click sign-in flow. Make sure you can access the inbox or SMS right away because the link usually expires fast. If you use multiple inboxes, watch for the correct sender. This step removes passwords and speeds login. Do it now so the next step's complete without delay. Once you get the email or SMS, locate the magic link and open it on the device where you want to be signed in. If you click from a different device, the system may ask for additional verification, so try same device activation. Follow any on-screen prompts. Sometimes you must confirm the device name or complete a secondary 2FA step. Once accepted, the session is established. Make sure to set any profile or session preferences while the session is fresh. After the link grants access, immediately verify you're in the right account and add a backup sign-in method to avoid lockouts. If the link expired before you clicked, these often last only minutes. Request a fresh one and avoid multiple concurrent requests. If the link fails repeatedly, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window because stored cookies can interfere. And if problems continue, contact support with the timestamp and device info so they can trace delivery or block issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.